I'm Joe, and this is Cara.
Hello, I'm spraying the shoes to make them smell nice. Oh no, Joe, I haven't sprayed those shoes yet.
Can I have some bowling shoes, please?
What size?
$12.
Sorry, Joe. We have no bowling shoes in your size.
My delivery! Wait here!
Oh no, those are clown shoes. Not bowling shoes.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day. Here you go, Joe.
Ah, thank you.
Joe, let's go.
Nice shoes.
Ah, thank you.
Now it's time to do a warm-up. Shay, you go first. Okay.
Shay's really good at bowling.
Joe, it's your turn. Okay.
Bowling is easy.
Let's love sign. Easy. Easy. U sign. Easy. Good. Easy.
Stream down, go!
It's okay.
Oh, bowling is hard.
Let's just go again.
Again. Wait here.
I don't know where he is.
Bowling is hard.
Hello, Aoife. Hello, Elizabeth. Everybody come to the front of their mat.
A mat? My second delivery. Oh, wait here. Oh.
Joe!
Darsha, Doors closing.
Joe!
A mat.
Joe, that's a doormat. It's okay, Joe. You can use my mat. I'll find another one.
Thank you. Okay, let's do the dog. Let's do the frog.
Now, let's start again. Okay, let's get on our surfboard. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and jump. Surf on our mats. Oh, here comes a big wave. Whoa! Let's on our bellies and swim. Come on, Joe, let's swim, 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 swim. Are we ready to jump up again? Oh my goodness, one more wave, ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, poor Joe. Let's sit up. Let's make it easier for Joe. Poor Joe's tired. It's time to lie down.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Wake up, little yogis. Yoga class is over. Joe! What are we gonna do? Will we wake him up? Ready? Listen. Now class is finished. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. It's time for me to go. Bye.
Bye. That's it, Anna. Bye, bye. Bye, Jack.
Good job, Lucy. As a reward, here's some popcorn.
Oh, popcorn! I love popcorn! This popcorn is very dry.
I'm sorry, we've no butter left. I'm expecting a delivery soon.
Butter? My delivery! Wait here! Butter. Oh, would you like some? Popcorn.
Let's love sign. Popcorn. Popcorn. You sign. Popcorn. Good. Popcorn.
What's going on here?
The people are arriving for the surprise film.
What's the surprise film?
I can't tell you that. It's a surprise.
Can I come see it?
Yes. Well, join the queue, please. Hello. This way, please, to the film.
No.
Hi. Film is this way. Hello. The film is this way. Hello. Enjoy the film. You go down there. Hello. Oh, there's a ticket for you. Here you
3 tickets, please.
You don't need to pay.
Wow.
But you do need to do something else for us.
What's that?
You have one more delivery for us.
Ah, yes. The secret film. Wait, here. Oh. The film. It's fine. Wrap it around like this.
What's going on here?
The film.
Let's love sign. Film. Film. You sign. Film. Good. Film.
The film.
No, 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 Joe. That's much too big for our projector.
Oh. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, There you go.
Perfect. I'll start the film. Let's go.
Let's go, Lucy. Come on.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you sit there in the middle. Okay.
Aw.
Hi.
Hello, everyone.
It's Aisling.
It's Aisling.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aisling. And I'm here to welcome you to the surprise film, The Dizzy Adventures of Joe and Ozzy.
Deliveries.
Wait here.
This way. Okay, on my way.
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Dave.